I just bought this Renogy Solar Kit. It's the RNG Kit RV200D ADV30. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing so you know exactly what comes in the box. So the panels slide out of the box like this. It's got styrofoam corners on the panels, and underneath is where all the other accessories are. So these are the panels that come with the kit. These are the RNG 100D SS. So you have two 100-watt panels. Each panel comes pre-wired with these connectors. So one male positive connector and one negative female connector. The panels have a tempered glass front with all of the solar cells there, and is surrounded by an aluminum extruded frame with a number of different holes to help with your mounting and installation. They cut away the corners so they're not sharp. They have these little plastic inserts at the corners, so that's really nice. All right, let's check out what comes in this box. Warranty card, charge controller manual, very nicely illustrated with diagrams, and everything's in English. Bluetooth module manual, another really nicely illustrated manual. Customer support card, and then we get into some of the hardware. This is the Adventure Solar Charge Controller. On the back, we've got the 4 connectors. The back actually comes off. So you have your battery connections, your solar panel connections, temperature sensor, battery remote, and the RS-232 jack, which I believe is what you connect your Bluetooth module to. This has that jack right on it, right there. This comes with 4 screws to mount this to a panel. Includes 2 cables to connect your battery. The ring connector is already connected and heat shrinked, and the other side is already pre-stripped, so you can connect it to the charge controller. So you get 2 of those, one for positive, one for negative, and you get 2 solar panel connectors. One of them will have the male connector, the other one has the female connector, and these ones are also pre-stripped, so you can connect them to the charge controller. They also include 2 Y connectors, Y adapters, so you can connect the 2 solar panels together and then use the single set of cables to go to the charge controller. That way you don't have to run separate cables to go to the charge controller from each solar panel. They give you this bulkhead fitting to run your solar cables through a wall to the outside to where the solar panels are, and then have these waterproof connectors to bring those cables inside to where your battery and charge controller is. So this bulkhead looks like it just gets adhered to a wall using some sort of sealant adhesive. And then there's 2 holes right here that are threaded where these bulkhead fittings will fit in there. And these have silicone washers on the inside that are going to seal that pass-through where the cable goes through. And lastly, we have some mounting brackets. So these mounting brackets will enable you to mount the solar panels directly to a roof or whatever surface you're going to be mounting the solar panels to. You get 4 brackets for each panel, so 8 in total. Includes all of the hardware to mount the brackets to the roof, as well as some bolts and nuts to mount the panels to the brackets. So this kit basically gives you everything you need to connect 2 solar panels to the charge controller, which is included. And basically all you need is a battery. And if you have just 12-volt systems, you can connect that right to the battery. Or if you want 120 volt, like a regular, cord to plug in, like in your house, you just need an inverter that you would connect to your battery. But everything you need to basically keep that battery charged up using solar with these 200-watt panels is included in this kit. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what's included in this kit and what else you need to complete your solar setup.